Hey everyone, Colton RV and Marine has been selling a ton of boats the last couple weeks, and we figured it'd be a great opportunity to show you yet another top seller here. So behind me is a 2026 Barletta 24UC. It's powered by a Mercury 200 V6, and let's check out the exterior of it really quick. It's a sharp looking boat. It's a two-color scheme boat. So you have a graphite gray matched with a champagne color. Look great on the water. It also has a blackout package, so you also see all the rails are powder coated. You guys can check out the trailer. We are a venture dealer, and what you guys are looking at is a 24-foot galvanized trailer. You're gonna have galvanized rims on your tires, great LED lights, and then our trailers do come with the bunk guide. So you and your wife, the stressful part about boating is loading it on the trailer, going home. We take care of that. We include the bunk guides that are gonna save you a lot of time at the docks and a lot of arguing between yourselves. But the back of the boat is also a great place where everybody hangs out. You can see we did option this boat out with the rail keeper in the back. This rail keeper is gonna let you sit in the rear aft position, so you can watch your kids tube and stuff or hang out while you guys are swimming. And we'll show you that in a little bit as we hop in the boat here. So we're inside this 2026 Aria 24UC, and what I really wanted to show you guys is the difference between our other top seller, which is the Aria 22UC, and where you actually pick up the space. So you pick up the space here in pretty much this front bench pad here on each side. So that is also going to increase your capacity. This is a 13-passenger boat, so all your friends and family can fit on this boat. USB ports up here for your riders to enjoy music or their phones. You guys are also looking at stainless steel cup holders in this little port here. And then this stereo system is paired with a JBL. Sounds awesome. It is Bluetooth. But moving back, Barletta is a very dog-friendly and pet-friendly boat. So you'll see there's transparent doors that you can view on, and then we always want to keep our pets hydrated and fed on the boat, so it does include a doggy dish here, which is easily just pushed back in. What I really like about the Aria series is when you're in a pontoon boat, the way their helms are designed, a lot of times you don't get the perfect height. Everybody's a different height, so that seat can adjust to a point. What Barletta does a great job is their helms are cut almost like an L. So you'll see this cut here, and it just makes more comfort when you're driving the boat, depending on what family member is driving the boat at the time. So you can see here I got plenty of leg room, and I can even get closer to the boat. And I'm 6'1", 6'2", and you guys see I still have plenty of room to feel comfortable, and I'm a little bit more safer being closer to the wheel, or feel comfortable being closer to the wheel. The wheel is a tilt, so makes it nice for you guys when you're tubing or just riding normally. And then check out this dash here. Obviously, we just showed you guys that it is tilt wheel. Barletta does a great job of listening to its previous owners of what they didn't like and what they liked. So previous models before 2026 had toggle switches that didn't illuminate. So at night, you kind of needed to know where your buttons were. Barletta listened to all their previous customers. 2026, all these will illuminate, so a little bit easier to find at night. This model, we have a Lowrance fish finder. That's gonna give you a GPS speed, obviously the fish graph, and it is a navigator, it does have navigation inside the unit. And then what is also new in 2026 is they introduced the floating dash to their helms. So you can kind of see that they have a nice backsplash here with a USB port included, and then a total functional dash, which in here is going to give your hours, some other features, maintenance features in there. You guys see you have trim and fuel, and you have a tack, and you have a speedometer. A lot of boats are just going with a tack now. Nobody wants that. Everybody wants to know how fast they're going on the boat. But to check it out, check the rest of the boat out, this is a dual helm chair. So this boat obviously has two captain's chairs instead of the one. It makes a great style for, you know, the nights you and your wife or you and your girlfriend are going to go out and enjoy a night to yourselves, or when you guys have a ton of people, you still get a lot of room to hang out with the dual captain's chairs, because they obviously swivel. They'll lock in a 90-degree point for in 4 sections, but you can actually enjoy this part of the boat while people are enjoying the bow. And then what honestly sells this boat, this is why it's the top model. It has the lounger bed. So this will flip back into the aft position, and you'll be able to enjoy either hanging out at the cove, or this is a great position to ride to keep a good eye on your kids while they're tubing. Great spot to get videos at. Now it's a multifunctional bed. So this is the aft position. This is the normal position. It'll also do a third function, which lay down completely flat. So you have a full day bed to enjoy. And then it'll come back to this section, and people can sit in what I call the cockpit of the pontoon. You can open up this door. It also includes a rumble seat, so people can enjoy the back as well and kind of sit back to back to each other. What a lot of people don't know, that you can lounge in the aft position on the day bed, and you can, you know, lounge forward. So we'll show you how that configures, because I really like this model. Not every model on the, or not every brand on the market does this. So you come up here, pull this down here, lay it flat, so you have the full day bed. But if the sun's in a certain position and you don't want the sun in your eyes while you're getting a suntan, spin it around, pop this up. There's another little pouch back here, and now you're lounging into the boat. This also has an automatic bimini, so you guys don't even have to get out of the chair to either close it or open it. It's just on a switch on the dash. And then this one is incorporated with a ski tow bar. So all your water sports you can do on this boat. The 200 V6 by Mercury is a great power plant for this boat. So if you guys want to come in this week, check it out, give us a call. Our number is 716-694-0188. My personal extension is 425, and we can't wait to see you guys this week.